Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold Price Analysis XAU USD bulls keep $1,900 on radars amid risk-off mood. http ntvforex.com News ID DE65E2. July 23, 23:42 GMT. By Anil Panchal. Gold prices struggle to justify the pullback from $1,879.24. The US-China tussle gets heated as US President Trump frets about the trade deal. Increasing odds of a delay in the US stimulus, downbeat US data adds strength to safe haven demand. Early month preliminary PMIs will decorate the calendar, risk catalysts to keep the driver's seat. Gold buyers catch a breather around $1,887 during the initial Asian morning on Friday. In doing so, the bullion traders probe the previous 5-day winning streak to the highest since late 2011. Underlying the precious metal's strength is the rush for risk safety, with the Sino-American tension reoccupying the headlines off late. Is US President Trump suggesting no trade deal with China? During his daily press briefing, US President Donald Trump said that China trade deal means less to me now than it did. The comments came after China's threats to oust American diplomats following the Trump administration's to empty the Chinese consulate office in Houston. Also increasing the fears of a full-fledged tussle between the world's top two economies are the fiery statements from U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and headlines via China's Global Times GT. Other than the pessimism surrounding the Sino-American tussle, updates that the much-awaited U.S. Phase 4 fiscal package will be delayed also weigh on the market sentiment. The Financial Times FT cite the Senate leader Mitch McConnell to inflate the odds of no aid package by the end of July, as previously suggested by U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin. Elsewhere, the coronavirus COVID-19 also continues to hammer the risk-tone sentiment. The latest news suggests the U.S. new cases cross 4.0 million mark, with a shortage of beds in Florida and surging figures in Texas. Further, Victoria and Tokyo are also causing worries for the Australian and Japanese governments respectively, whereas India and Brazil keep fighting with fewer resources and a faster rate of virus spread. As a result, Wall Street benchmarks flashed the first negative closings in 5 days on Thursday, while the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield slipped below 0.60%. Additionally, the record low of the U.S. 10-year yields on Treasury inflation-protected securities tips to 0.907% also portray the risk-off mood. Looking forward, traders will keenly observe the preliminary readings of July month activity data from Australia, Europe, the UK, and the US for fresh impulse. Also keeping the watch list will be the risk catalysts like virus updates, US-China stories, and fiscal budget news. Technical analysis. Unless slipping back below $1,800 mark, the sellers are less likely to enter any trades. On the contrary, $1,900 and the record high of $1,921.07 continue to lure the bulls. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 1,887.24. Today daily change. 15.12. Today daily change percent. 0.81%. Today daily open. 1,872.12. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 1,798.17. Daily SMA 50. 1,756.56. Daily SMA 100. 1,703.64. Daily SMA 200. 1,613.92. Levels. Previous daily high. 1,872.16. Previous daily low. 1,840.66. Previous weekly high. 1,815.1. Previous weekly low. 1,790.42. Previous monthly high. 1,785.91. Previous monthly low. 1670.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1860.13. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1852.69. Daily Pivot Point S1. 1851.13. Daily Pivot Point S2. 1830.15. Daily Pivot Point S3. 1819.63. Daily Pivot Point R1. 1882.63. Daily Pivot Point R2. 1893.15. Daily Pivot Point R3. 1914.13. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.